Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. So welcome new subscribers and welcome to my already subscribed friends. So today I'm going to make some bread. I'll be doing it in a couple of stages because of course I do need to leave it to rise, etc. But I'm hoping I'll be able to do it in a shorter time because it's so warm, and I'm going to cheat and put it in the garden. So let's get started. I mean, this is no expert bread at all. It's just very simple. I'm not even using bread flour. I'm using, this is just some cheap plain flour. Can't remember where I got it from, but I'm going in with 3.5 cups of this. So I'll just weigh it out. Right, 1, 2, 3, and where's the half there? Okay, measure up the half. There we go, 3.5 cups of just ordinary plain flour. Next thing I'm going in with is literally half a teaspoon of dried yeast. Is that my half there? Oh no, that's 1. That's a half. So half a teaspoon of yeast. This is dried yeast. I haven't used it for ages, so I'm hoping it's still active. So that's just going in. Then I'm going to go in with a whole teaspoon of salt. God, I thought I put teaspoon in then. But now I want a whole teaspoon of salt. Oops, in that goes. I'm going to put in 2 cups of water that I've had at room temperature. I'll just go get it. I've got my water, so 2 cups of water going in. 1, 2. My lovelies, that's it. That is it. Let me show you. Right, there we go. So I'm just going to mix it up now. That is what you have to do. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. Not many at all. And then I'm going to cover, and I'm going to pop it in the garden, because I think it might rise a lot quicker outside. So that's it, that's what it looks like that. I'm just going to scrape off this bit. It's not and all that. There we go, scrape all that lot off, put this in the wash, cover it over. Okay, what I've done, I've just dampened down a tea towel, and I'm going to go and walk this out to the garden and leave it there and check it in a couple of hours' time. Right guys, I'll come back when that has all risen and we'll carry on with part 2 of this such easy bread recipe.
Like that?